What's up guys? This episode we're going to be talking about inbound email support in your Rails application. So if you've ever used anything where you get an email notification and it says reply above this line, that is a splitter and it will look for that and say all the content the user wrote above that we want to put into our application. So when you reply to that email, it actually goes through a different service than normal. It's not actually sending to another human being. It's sending basically back to SendGrid or Amazon SES or wherever that you send your emails, and they're taking that, accepting that email for you, and then they package it up into an HTTP request and send you the content so you don't have to do it over SMTP. So this is really awesome and very handy. And so what we'll do is we're going to be implementing that in this episode, where we have a forum here, we have a thread. When we write a post, we will send an email notification out. You'll receive that email, and that will be a notification you can reply to. So we're going to then reply to that, and it will go through the SendGrid inbound parser. SendGrid will send us a post request to our Rails app, and we're going to use a gem called Gridler from Thoughtbot, which will take that email and it will standardize it a bit and then hand it to us in order to process. And so we just have to implement a class that takes those emails and the standardized format and then decides what to do with them. And that's all we have to do. So there's a little bit that you have to do to set up on SendGrid side. Every service that you use will be similar but a little bit different. We have to create a host in URL. And so our host, we want in development to point to something that is available, like gorails.localtunnel.me or ngrok or whatever service you might want to use for this. You want to make sure that your local development Rails environment is exposed to the internet so that you can have SendGrid make a post request to it. So we're going to use local tunnel in this episode.